you go. Gee, it wraps pretty good. Purple. Nice. Oh, that
Cute little wedding.
Okay. What's in there? Oh, that one's squeaking too.
Well, that looks like a furry.
Oh, I like it. He's dragging that one off to murder it. Yeah, it's yours. Look, good girl. You're spoiled. We spoil you. Rotten. Look at all that. I'm impressed.
It's not gonna last long, is it?
No, not that one. It's a slipper.